Okay, last time we actually did was master record, materials management, materials master, environment, not environment, other material, no, purchasing, service entry sheet, master data, quota arrangement, MEQ maintain, plant, enter. Okay, we've already entered. Okay, minimum quantity split will be at 300. Okay, source listing 3000. Enter. Okay, we have this vendor 1/8/2023. We'll say 24 and uh 24. Fixed supply source blocked. Okay, save. This is saved. Source list has been changed. Info-Record 39010 purchase org. Enter. Purchasing info already exists. Okay, 1122 and 122. Okay, organizational data, standard quantity, GR based invoice, and input terms all set. Looks good. Okay, conditions. Okay, condition is already there. Text is there. Yeah, so this is good. Okay, now RFQ request for quotation, create. Quotation deadline is 10/10/2024. We have an RFQ and we have a type as well. We can enter a document number. Okay, and what are the types? Just a second, Furkan. I'm waiting for the server to respond. No, it's not responding. Okay. RFQ, request for bid, stock inquiry, will put it as RFQ. Okay, so you can have RFQ types as well. Item category is standard, a third party or service, storage location. You can have material group and tracking number as well. Header details. Okay, purchasing group. Purchasing group. Double A. Okay, let's take the last one because I guess we have not made one. And we can make our standard location as well. Let's enter. Okay, now over here the validity starts from 01/10/2024. Deadline is 10/10, validity end. Apply by, yeah, 09/10/2024. How can it be possible that my sound is not there? Warranty, if any input terms that can be put over here, location can be put over here, references can be given over here. Okay, and header text, header text. Okay, RFQs must be dated and sealed. Okay, that is it. And of course, the material that we need, short text, let us say tapes, we need 3,000 quantities. Delivery date must be 15/10, enter. Okay, save. Supplier address 39010 AE. Okay, save. So RFQ has been created and we can actually search through double F42. Okay, RFQ is done. The same will be used for quotation. Okay, maintain. This is our RFQ, and based on that, we'll prepare a quotation that we receive from the vendors, right? 3,000 quantity, net price, which they will quote 20,000. Delivery date is 15th. They can meet that. Location will be Sharjah. So you can actually calculate CIF, F1, FOB, and things like that. Okay. And that can be put in header details. Header details, uh, like location, FOB, Incoterms, header text, header condition, it can be put over here. Save. So quotation for RFQ has been maintained. So based on one document, you can actually build your entire journey. Outline agreement, M31K, vendor 39010, agreement. What kind of agreement are you entering with your vendor? Quantity or price? Okay. Item category, account assignment category. What will it be? Will it be for sales order or order unknown? Okay. Or you want to leave it empty or it's for cost center? What are you actually getting from that vendor? Okay. So it can be anything. It can be an order. Okay. Material group can be any. And overview, validity end 10/10/2024. So you have an agreement between this vendor from this date till this date. Okay. Other conditions, it's less than a week. Yes, of course, some services can be less than a week. Okay. And amount percentage can be decided over here. Condition supplements. Okay. That what can be the conditions, for example, condition types. The condition types, of course, the amounts. Uh, if you're doing for quantity or value, you can actually mention it over here. The goods, info record, class specific for order unit. Okay. And over here, free good, we can add some quantity. Okay. We can add some, we've already made an info record in the previous lecture. You can add that. Okay. Pipeline chargeable standard. We'll add a standard. Okay. Ordering unit can be each or liters or anything that fits the requirement. Okay. Can be anything. We'll keep it empty. We don't need it for now. But we'll say each. Okay. Minimum quantity is 10 because it's free. Okay. Material. What was our material? What was material? No value for that. But anyways, I mean, we just want to actually understand the concept. Okay. Okay. We good? Double 842. Let me bring the material number. So we can actually give discounts to our customers, or we can get from the vendors as a customer. Okay, free goods. Validity periods, we've already done that. Header data, and that's it, I guess. Document contains no items. Oh, confirm, release category. items. There are no detail. Okay, supplier address is there. Order text, release order text, 10 pieces free, 10 pieces free. Okay, this was the number. We'll copy it and short text. Adhesive tapes, target quantity was 2000, 3000, enter, taken from conditions, net price, GL account. Now over here, of course, we need integration for our GL accounts. And for this, we'll keep it for the next lecture because we'll study integration from that lecture.